In this video, I'll guide you through how to display figures starting from a specific date in Tableau. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or just need to focus on a particular time frame, these steps will help you refine your data view with precision and ease. Let's get started. First, you want to begin by dragging your date field over to the filters shelf. This is the foundation of setting up any date-based filter in Tableau. Your date dimension is crucial here as it defines the timeline you'll be working with. By placing it in the filters shelf, you're telling Tableau that you want to apply some kind of filter to your dataset based on dates. Next, it's time to select the filter type. Tableau offers different options, but in this case, you're focusing on two primary types, starting date and relative dates. Let's break these down. If you're interested in filtering your data starting from a specific calendar date, you'll choose the starting date option. For example, if you want your data to reflect only the figures from April 15th, 2026 onwards, this is the option you would select. It's a straightforward way to hide all data before your chosen date, allowing you to narrow your analysis to the time frame that matters most. Alternatively, if you want a more dynamic approach to your date filtering, you can opt for relative dates. This option is perfect for when you need your data to adjust automatically based on a time frame such as last 14 days or current month. Choosing relative dates gives your data a fluid quality, adapting automatically as time progresses, which can be incredibly useful for ongoing reports or dashboards that need to stay current without constant manual updates. Now, to make your presentation or analysis even more flexible, you have the option to show filter. By right-clicking the pill on the filter shelf and selecting Show Filter, you introduce an interactive element to your display. This is particularly useful if you're presenting to a committee or team and you want them to have the ability to adjust the date range on the fly. This feature can turn your static presentation into a dynamic conversation, allowing your audience to engage with the data in real time. And there you have it, a straightforward way to display figures from a specific date in Tableau. By dragging your date field to the filter shelf, selecting the appropriate filter type, and enabling the show filter option, you can tailor your data to fit your exact needs. This method not only enhances your data visualization, but also provides an interactive element that can be a game changer during presentations. So go ahead, dive into your data, and make those figures work for you in the most precise way possible. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.